Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the third Sudoku, a Sudoku with 4 stars we have in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 14th, 2020. Yes, this is a 4-star Sudoku and I hope I will manage to solve this within 30 minutes. Otherwise, it's definitely a 4 stars if I solve this more than 30 minutes. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, so you know the kind of indication of the difficulty level in this puzzle. The previous one was 26 printed numbers for the 2 stars Sudoku. This is a 4-star Sudoku, so probably not 25 but 24 printed numbers. Let me count first. We have here 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 4 is 13, plus 3 is 16, plus 3 is 19, 19 plus 5 is 24 as expected. Yes, all right, let's get started. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the first column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 2. And let me mark them for you so it's easier for you to follow. Those are pairs. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this column, in this big square. So no 2 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. Then 3, 5, 5. Well. In this big square, wait. 7 in this column, 7 in the first column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1, 4, and 2. I need more numbers. How about yes, 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. In the last row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Here also a 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 1, 6. Yes. 3 missing numbers now in the last row. Those numbers are the 1, the 6, and the 8. And look, we have an 8 and a 6 in this big square. So no 1, so no 8 and a 6 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 1. Here we have the 8 and the 6. Let me mark them for you. Alright. And then 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. These 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 5. Yes, in this column, the last column, one of the missing numbers is a 5. I cannot put the 5 there, so the 5 could be here or could be there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the last column for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6, we see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this last row for the number 6. Then 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 3 places for the 8, here, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then 1 number left in this row, the second row for the number 3, I believe. Yes. Then One, 5. and 4. 5, 4, 3. Well. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 5 is missing. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. 9 is missing. Yes, alright, 9 is missing. Then these 2 numbers in this row, the missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9. Let me mark them for you. 2 and a 9. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. The other 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 1. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so in the row between the middle row. The only place for the 3 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so in the middle row. The only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 over there. Yeah. 1 number left in the third column for the number 2. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left, 2 and a 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6 and the final 2 numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. Thank you for watching. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thanks for watching again. See you later and bye bye for now.